This is the elevator at the Hampton Inn and Suites, I-75 and Fletcher Avenue in Tampa, Florida. Let's go at 4. What? What was that? Okay. I kind of want to hear that again. Because, seriously, what was that? Does it do it? I don't think it will. Let's stop at 3, just because that was amazing. I have never heard a door chime like that before in my life. I mean, yeah, it's pretty cool. So 988 phone. Let's hit 1. Let's watch it. Actually, it says it's going up. Up chime is normal. It may go up, it may go down. Let's see what happens. But regardless, let's get a cab view of it's going down. Let's hit 2, just because. Now we'll watch what happens. Okay, that was like, I didn't count, but it was like 6 or 7 chimes, I think. All right, let's take this thing for another ride. Also, I didn't really finish my cab view. There's that. Pretty basic cab. One more ride. Let's go 4. Watch this. That was like 5 and it cut the 6 chime off. It should be 2, come on. But still, I mean, that's actually kind of funny. Alright, we're gonna end it down at 1. Also, I just tried adjusting the brightness to show the true color of the button when it's lit up. Alright. There it goes. And that'll be it.